Hey friends, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a brand new Instagram account and give you all of these specific steps that you're gonna wanna take so you look like a pro out of the gate. Hi there, my name is Emelina Spinelli, your Instagram marketing expert. Now, before we jump into the video, I want to share an amazing resource I have with you. I created a free 70-minute video training on how to double your Instagram following. Everyone has been raving about this training. I actually go through all of these specific steps on how I built my following on Instagram from 500 to 12,000 followers initially, and now to almost 75,000 and more. You are really gonna love this training. Take my word for it. I'm so excited for you to get this information and all of these resources. So sign up using the link below in the description box. My guess is that you are looking to start a brand new Instagram account and you want to get this thing right out of the gate. You don't want to make all these really haphazard mistakes that you could be without having the knowledge from an expert to show you exactly what to do with a new account. These are the steps that I personally would take if I were building a brand new Instagram account today so that I can optimize my account. I can focus on attracting the right followers, focus on building community, and focus on building content. The first step to creating a brand new Instagram account is you're going to need to either go to the website instagram.com or download the Instagram app on your phone. Then what you're gonna do is grab a new email address to sign up for a new account. Then you're going to need to choose a username that is short and sweet and fits you, sounds like you. Don't worry, you can change this later if you need to, and you're going to want to add a password. You can also log in using your Facebook account. Tip number one is to add a really beautiful or professionally taken headshot or photo for your profile photo. The biggest mistake I see new accounts making is just uploading something that they shoot themselves as a selfie that's in a dark room or a bathroom. Those are the worst types of profile shots. Just as a side note, nobody wants to see your bathroom selfies. I can't help it, I have to say that. No bathroom selfies. Your new potential followers that land on your account and visit your account are going to make a fast decision on whether or not to follow you. Obviously, we need things like content that I'm about to get into, but more specifically, your profile photo can literally be a make or break as far as whether or not someone will follow you. If you have a dimly lit profile photo, chances are no one's even gonna click your account to go view the rest of your content because they have the expectation that everything else will look like your profile photo. Take the time and attention and either get a professional photo taken, or what you can do is grab one of your friends, maybe buy them coffee and lunch in exchange, or give them a big hug. I don't know, whatever your thing is with your friends. And I would ask them just to take your phone. If you have an iPhone or an Android, you'll be able to take a pretty high quality photo from just your phone. Ask them to shoot you straight on like this, and you're gonna look directly at the camera, or you're gonna look 45 degrees in either angle. If you have a preference with the side of your face that you prefer or you think looks better, then you're gonna look in that direction. Smile. What you could do is laugh. Ha 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 ha. It sounds crazy, but it makes you look good in a photo. And have them shoot the photo of you in a good looking room, or we love to do on Instagram is find colorful walls. So just find like a mural or a colorful wall outside. You're gonna wanna take this in daylight to make sure the lighting is good in your photo. This should take maybe 15 minutes tops. Have your friend take multiple shots on your phone, 20 to 30, so that you have a quick choice for options and you will have a great looking profile photo. Tip number two is to create a great bio for your account. You wanna do really quick phrases that describe who you are and what you'll be posting about. I like to stick to 3 quick words or phrases to describe what I'm doing, who I am, and what I will be posting. For example, you could say something like coffee lover, wine drinker, laptop dweller, something like that. If that's what you're posting about, those are the things that you can quickly place in your bio, as well as adding your location. What I like to do is use the little location pin emoji, and then I would say Los Angeles. A lot of people I know are in New York, Toronto, San Francisco, Austin, Texas, Denver. Add your location if it fits in the bio, because this actually helps you begin networking on Instagram. People that are in your city will see that you are and often will connect with you. I started a new account recently that has to do with entrepreneurship templates. This is a business account, but I just wanted to read you the bio so you get a quick example of something that works well. Creative marketing templates for busy entrepreneurs, ebooks, pitch decks, presentations. Then I have my email address because I'm a business and because I want people reaching out to me. And the last line that points down to the website says, stock up for 90% off. Tip number 3 is to add a website link. If you have a website, this will be great for you. I think you guys may actually be surprised at just how many potential followers will actually follow through and click that link in your bio to see what you're all about. This is a great opportunity to have another amazing touch point with your followers. Now, if you don't have a website, what you can do is use that website link to advertise another one of your social media accounts. Since you're starting a new Instagram account, that link would probably be great to send traffic to your primary account. If you are bigger on LinkedIn, or you prefer LinkedIn, or you prefer Facebook or Pinterest, that's where you can point for people to come follow you and connect with you more. The next tip I have for you is to pick a niche for your account. Niche is just a fancy marketing term for a theme. This is where you're gonna wanna think for a moment about what content are you gonna be posting. Are you gonna be posting about coffee shops? Are you an entrepreneur and you're gonna be posting laptop shops? Are you a foodie and all you wanna do is post brunch? These are the things that you're gonna wanna think about, and you're going to create a theme or a category for your account. Now, if you're posting mostly food shots and mostly brunch shots, it doesn't mean you can't cover coffee or something like travel and hotel rooms. Okay, this tip is really easy. What I want you to do is go add your friends from Facebook over on your Instagram account. You're gonna go follow your friends. This will give you an immediate boost of followers from people that know, like, and love you, and will begin to show potential followers that you are not just a new account or maybe even look like a bot account because you have no followers, but that you will maybe have 20 or 50 or 100 or 250 followers because you followed all your friends on Facebook. Plus, if your friends on Facebook don't follow you, you could probably text them and say, "What gives, homie? Why didn't you follow me on Instagram?" Next, you're gonna follow 20 to 50 brand or influencer accounts that are in your niche. Now, we've already categorized your account. You've already chosen a niche or a theme. Let's say you're a foodie and you're gonna be posting lots of brunch shots. What you're gonna wanna do is find 20 to 50 influencers that specifically post about food and brands that produce food and are known for this food, maybe also travel and hotels and restaurants. You're gonna wanna follow these types of accounts because what's gonna happen is Instagram will start to categorize your account as a food account. This won't happen yet because you are a brand new account, but as Instagram begins to categorize your account with this food group, what will happen is later down the road, as you are building your following, gaining followers, building a community, gaining engagement, Instagram will actually begin to suggest your account to other people that love and appreciate food in the discovery feed and on the explore page. My next suggestion for you is to make sure your account is public, not private. Private accounts unfortunately don't grow rapidly because, it makes sense. Here's how it goes. Someone sees your account and clicks on your profile that is potentially looking to follow you, just looking to find friends on Instagram or check some content out. When this person gets to your account, they are not able to see any of your content. They don't have access. Most people are not going to follow you with a private account. The people that will follow you will likely be bots or people that are running follow and unfollow software through bot programs because it doesn't make sense for a user to follow a private account. The other thing to note with private versus public accounts is that if you have a private account, Instagram will never show your content on the explore feed or the discovery page. And I feel like that is enough incentive right there just to make your account public. But if you're looking to grow a business or you're looking to develop influence, I highly recommend that you make your account public. And I'll throw the caveat in there that just post content that if your boss were to see or your in-laws were to see, that you'd be okay with it. Another suggestion I have for you is to sign up for a business account. I know there's a lot of controversy back and forth about whether or not you should have a personal account or a business account on Instagram. I have found that a business account for me and all of my clients has been the best way to go, specifically because with business accounts and Instagram, they give you access to all of your analytics and insights for each post. If you have a personal account, you are not going to see any of the amazing insights and analytics that are highly beneficial to help you accelerate your growth on Instagram. With a business account, you get to see things like whether or not you're making it onto the explore page and the discovery page. You get to see exactly how much traffic and how many people viewed your account from hashtags. You get to see exactly how many impressions you received, how much reach of your audience you received, and you get to see the exact and specific engagement metrics. Next, this is the sweet spot. You're going to want to find 9 to 12 photos to post on Instagram. Look through your archives on your phone, favorite the best photos that you want to post, and begin to prepare your first rung of content that you're going to post to Instagram. Edit your photos to match visually. Instagram is a highly aesthetic platform, and people love to see a similar visual feed throughout your gallery. There are so many great apps to help you quickly edit your photos and make everything match. Essentially, these apps have something called filters. I don't recommend using the stock filters that Instagram gives you. It gives you a very stock look, and there are just so many better editing materials out there, so I highly suggest you check out some of these apps. Here is a quick list of apps that you can quickly download onto your phone and get started editing your photos like a pro influencer. Okay, the first one I have is Tezza, has some really great stock filters, Fresco, Photoshop Express, Lightroom Mobile, Visco, Color Story, Snapseed, Design Lab, and my favorite app is Lightroom. However, if you are new to this platform, I would suggest using filters that require less effort for editing. Visco, VSCO, is fantastic for that, as well as Presco, Presco, the Tezza app, and Photoshop Express. My last tip for you is to go ahead and post your first 9 to 12 photos. It's important to get your initial base of content up. As potential followers come to your account and view your profile, they're going to want to see a base of content. So what I do recommend is that you post at least 9 photos, and you can even post them back to back within 2 or 3 days. I recommend getting this base of content up first so that every potential follower can see what you're all about and the type of content that they can expect to see in the future. This will actually enable you to grow faster and more right out of the gate, because you are setting up an expectation that you take this platform seriously and that you do everything you need to do like a pro. It is my intention that these tips will give you everything you need to get started on Instagram the right way. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I would love to hear more from you in the comments. Please scroll down to the comments and tell me your new Instagram handle so I can come check out your account, and everyone can start checking out the other accounts that are below in the comments to begin growing their initial follower base. I look forward to seeing you on Instagram and checking out your brand new content. Remember to subscribe to get free tips from an Instagram marketing expert, and until next time, see ya!